Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called Christmas Box. It's 12 AI apps in one bundle. So you think 12 AI apps, 12 pieces of software, you're going to pay, I don't know, it's going to be $50, $100, $200. How about $14? And there's some discount coupon codes. You can see one there. They're listed on my site. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There's a bit of a description, a lovely picture of the product box. You click the product box and you're on the page we're at here. They call it a 99% discount on 12 of their best products. And so I'll run through what you get in a sec. And you basically log in, enter it, and go. There's a demo video that runs through. This is a 45-minute demo video at my site. So it runs through each of the software, how to use it, it's everything, right? And then the upgrade offers are there. Discount coupon code for 35% off, 30% off. There's a couple dollar off one at the front there. It just depends on, you'll try out a few of them and see which one works for you. But grab them, go get a copy of this, $14 for 12 different AI apps. And let's run through the list because are we on the right kind of thing? What are you looking at here? Yeah, well, that's sort of fun. Actually, we can go here. We can go a little bit. Do we go up? Yeah, so let's go through a few of these like this. So here we go. Here's you get inside the Christmas box. We'll run through. This is premium AI models in one dashboard. Gives you all the AI. So that's pretty cool. Teachify creates full video courses. Again, this is, was it $14? And you get $2 off up here or 35% off. Depends on what you want to get of the upgrade offers. This is a viral Ghibli style art creator. What do we got here? Cloning, reverse engineering any website or funnel. Again, even the $2 off brings it down to $12 for all of this. Turns content into high converting lead quizzes that gets people to sign up and log in and join your email list. AI marketplace. So you can have thousands of AI tools across different niches and you can sell them in your own thing. Create email campaigns from any website or funnel. What do we got here? Command center for creation and automation. InfiniteSuite is hosting, storage, funnels, video hosting. So it's all the hosting, again, done through AI. NanoBanana AI is the graphics, unlimited professional image creation. All of this comes in one package. You're not getting one thing or the other. You're getting all of it. Each one of these really was a $15, $20 piece of software. And there's 12 of them. GoogleVault, again, every Google AI model in one dashboard. So it's all of Google's Gemini, Imagen, VO, LM, all of that kind of stuff, the notebook LM. NanoAI PRO, this is an advanced one, and the whole 9 yards, $14. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at Marketing Sharks. I just list all the things there with a quick one-line description of it all. Then you can click the product box, grab the discount code, come up over here, and it'll take you to the site and you can grab it. 12 different AI software pieces, $14, $12. It's really $1 a piece for software. Insane. This is the Christmas special. Click the link, go grab it right now. It's one of the top sellers right now. It's called Christmas Box. Tells you how long it's going to last. Not too long. So click on the link in the video description and go check out Christmas Box, 12 AI apps in one bundle. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link and go check out Christmas Box.